We guide you through how to remove songs from your Instagram post. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and go straight to your profile. Tap the post that has the song you want to remove, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Edit. Now, here's the important part. If the post was made with music using Instagram's built-in feature, you won't see a direct remove music button. So what you need to do is either lower the volume completely if editing options appear, or remove and re-upload the post without selecting a song. If it's a reel, tap Edit, then look for the audio section. Tap on the music track and choose Remove or replace it with original audio. Then save your changes. If the option isn't available, your only workaround is to download the video, delete the original post, and upload it again without adding music.